Hi, I'm John Holowinski with Alta Genetics. I'm a Premier Account Manager with Alta. We are currently at Dairy Dreams, where I do a lot of the Premier Account work with Dairy Dreams, and we're currently in the heifer and dry cow barn at Dairy Dreams. Dairy Dreams was traditionally a purebred Holstein herd. About 3 years ago, they made the decision to go to a Holstein Jersey cross. Their goal was to lower the mature body weight of that animal by about 200 to 250 pounds while maintaining energy-corrected milk equivalent of a Holstein, along with obviously eating less feed to achieve that. So that was kind of the main focus of why the switch was to go to crossbreeding with that Holstein Jersey cross. So they started off with a pure Holstein. What they did is they bred that pure Holstein to a Jersey to create an F1. And then that resulting offspring, that F1, will get bred back to Holstein. The subsequent calf from that mating will also get bred back to Holstein. The subsequent calf from that mating will go back to Jersey, and then they'll start the process again. So it's Holstein, Jersey. And what their goal is to kind of create a 3/4 Holstein and a 1/4 Jersey, trying to take specialties from each breed and kind of combine them together to kind of create a more profitable herd that's very efficient with income over feed costs. The strategy is implemented across the entire herd, so basically that animal that's born, whatever breed they're supposed to get bred to, they will get bred to that their entire life. And it's set up in Dairy Comp that it does a series of commands that it automatically sets the breed type that they should get bred to right at birth. So as soon as that calf hits the ground, they know I'm either going to breed this animal to either Holstein or Jersey for its entire life, with the exception they do incorporate some beef into the breeding program as well. The Dairy Dreams index is set up that they have 50-50 emphasis. So what that means is they have 50% emphasis on production traits and then 50% emphasis on health traits. They don't put any emphasis on conformation because we feel that we already get that with our bull selection. So there's no need to put that because we don't really have a lot of negative conformation bulls that are making poor conformation animals. The specific traits that Dairy Dreams is looking for in each category was they ship their milk to a cheese plant, so we focus a lot on fat and protein pounds. We don't focus a lot on fluid milk just because they don't get paid for their water, so they're focused a lot on fat and protein pounds. And then on the health side, they focus a lot on productive life trait, daughter pregnancy rate trait, and then somatic cell. Those are the three main traits they focus on in health bucket. The heifer breeding strategy is each heifer that Dairy Dreams has will get up to 3 services of peak embryos, and then any heifer open after 3 services will get bred for up to 2 services, and then after that 5th service they'll become a DMB and removed from the herd. So then on that 4th and 5th service they will use sex semen. So to show them the genetic progress that they've made over time, I utilize Dairy Comp quite a bit to show them genetic progress by birth year of animals they currently have in their herd. I also show them what we at Alta call proof in the numbers, so specifically showing genetics they've specifically selected for, how does that translate into what they're actually seeing from a phenotypic standpoint. And what I mean by that is they selected for 1,000 pounds of milk. Do they see that 1,000 pounds of milk deviation from herd mates? Same thing with fat and protein. I can show them obviously the higher the fat content of this bull and protein content, that it equates to more fat and protein pounds shipped on that specific animal. We review that on an annual basis, and we change bulls here 3 times a year. So after each subsequent proof round, we'll review which bulls fit best for our Dairy Dreams index, and then those bulls will get put into the tank and used for that 3 months. And sometimes certain bulls rank high, so we'll use them for multiple proof rounds just because they are so good genetics. And if they're working fertility-wise, we will continue to use them as well.